Huge Impact, welcome back to another video. Today we're on Devlog 2. Devlog 2, No Way to Fly. In this map, so there's a bird. It's the deadly bird. In this map, there will be 585 shards. That is the portal. And monsters power flying, obviously. The map is outside. And the power eagle eyes allows you to see in the dark. Wait, let's you. Okay, I thought that didn't make sense. See, lets you see in the dark. Since it was so small, it was kind of wacky. So that's what the bird looks like. That's just another, and that's what he looks like when he's running. And that is the ring barrier, and those are spike traps. And the spike traps are not the only trap. The next trap will be revealed at the end. This is the final. So this is what the boss looks like: a three-headed bird. This is what the first death animation looks like. This is what the second death animation looks like. This is the boss death animation. Okay. And that's the new trap. Laser trap, so it's a laser. See that's like the laser comes out of these. This. And then Beerus sings in the tall man level. So this is just what Beerus said in the tall man level. He gave you a chance and you failed it. Why do you like death so much? Just use stilts. You don't have ducks. You have him. Wait, does this say half? Oh yeah, it does say half. It looks like it's an M because I accidentally put this line here. Watch out, laser. Well, I must have been a bit late. End of Devlog 2. Okay, goodbye. And then next time we'll be talking about the scary flower, whatever you want to call it.